Hi there and welcome to our video on scanners. Most of us have a use for a scanner now and then, and it's not real straightforward looking at your desktop. So I plugged in my scanner. It's a USB scanner. It's a Canon product, and we're going to go over here. We're going to search for scanner. Let's see. Notice right here, scanner. So we bring up the scanner application, and at this point, it's searching for scanners. It's trying to find one. When it does find it, it shows you here, it found my Canon LIDE 110. If you had more than one, it would list a drop-down list. You could select which one, but we'll just stick with this one. Now it says it's ready to scan, so let's do a scan first. So we'll start a scan. Now the scan is completed, so we have options at this point. We just go ahead and save it. Right here, we'll save it to a file. We can also email it. We can print it. We can do these other options here. I'm not doing any of those. Down here, we have some options too. We can rotate it left or right. We can crop it, which is a nice feature. You can crop whatever area you want to send to the file or to the printer. And then, of course, you can delete it, but we don't want to do that. So once you're finished with all your cropping concepts, it's time to save the file. There's two ways to save the file. You can go up here and then save it this way. Or you can come down here and say new document. Oh, you didn't save the old one. Yeah, let's go ahead and save the old one. So at this point, you're allowed to take the document and save it. Now notice when we go to save it, we have options down here. It can be a PDF format, JPEG. You can read the rest of the list. I'm going to select PNG. And so we're going to save it at this location. It remembers the last location we went to. We'll call it scan document. We'll say cancel. I don't want to replace it. Let's do it different. Let's do a PDF. So we'll do a PDF document. We'll go to our pictures, camera. Save it as PDF. So now it's finished. And that's all there is to using this application. It's dirt simple. Has a few options that are nice to have. And other than that, it's easy to operate. And this concludes this video on how to use the scanner on Linux.